Okay guys, so today we have the 2017 Subaru STI and we're going to be replacing the fog lights and the turn signals.
Underneath, can you see anything?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Right here. For fog light and turn signal, you need to remove these two clips. If you can have a focus on it. Okay, perfect. Two clips right here. Just pop them open. Just like that. This kind of clips. And can't take off this plastic panel. For the fog light. Okay, it's gonna be look like this. It's the socket, and when you install it, it's just plug in. And after you install the fog light, what I just tied the wire to something that can hold on it, and so your ballast doesn't touch any plastic, because when you're running for a long time, this ballast will getting hot. So my suggestion, just hang it somewhere that will live in the air, so if the air passes through, it will cool the ballast for a better cooling. And just tie it somewhere, either using a wire tie or a zip tie. For my case, I've been swapping a lot of light, so I just use a wire tie for like a quick disconnected, and that's it. And it's a 7440, so we're gonna replace our 7440 right here. Focus on that. Yep. Okay. So try to use some towel or something to grab the bolt, and make sure your hands don't touch it. Okay, that's it. Okay, and just plug this LASFIT turn signal, and then pop that in. And nice, turn to your right, here to click, and you're good to go. And that's it.